Burger King just launched a new guarantee that you get a free Whopper if they mess up your order, which sounds pretty incredible. It's called the Whopper Guarantee, and it started in the United States on July 20th. And here's how it works. When your Whopper isn't hot, is made incorrectly, or you're just not happy with it, Burger King says they will remake it on the spot. But that's not all. Inside the Whopper box, there's supposed to be a QR code. You scan it, receive a unique 6-digit code, and that code can be used for a free classic Whopper on your next visit on the house. That's right, free on the house Whopper. Burger King is also adding a new restaurant role called Your Way Champion. That employee's job is to check customized orders, help customers, and fix problems on the spot. Honestly, this sounds like a Burger King knows people have been frustrated with wrong orders and inconsistent food type of situation. However, the question is, will this actually improve the experience, or will people just start complaining just to get a free Whopper?